When I was younger, I told my mother, I said one day I'm gonna make
Whatever
you
mistakes
proud.
I've made in my life, I raised a good man.
Now that I'm older, it's so much harder to say those words out loud.
Your mom would be proud.
You're growing taller, a little smarter, and one day you're gonna leave home. Oh, will you look like your mother's father? Oh, when you are fully grown.
I want you to know, son, I've always been proud of you. Always.
When I was younger, I told my mother, I said one day